Hi students, in this video we are going to see about the experiment number 4 in data structures with C laboratory. Let us go to the exercise. So the experiment title is Design, Develop and Implement a program in C for converting an infix expression to postfix expression. Right? The program should support for both parentherized and also free parentherized expressions with operators plus, minus and multiplication, division, remainder, power and alphanumerics operands. Right? They have clearly explained that we have to design and develop one C program for the conversion of from infix to postfix expression, and it should accept with both parenthized expression or without parenthized expressions, right? So we know the meaning of infix to postfix expression, right? So this is one of the applications of stack, right? So let us see the concept of infix, prefix and postfix, right? When you take one arithmetic operations, so there are three different types of expressions are available. One is infix, prefix and postfix. So how it is classified means based on the place of operators, right? So based on the place of the operator, these expressions are classified, right? I'm going to show you with two operands, right? The example shows two operands with one operator. It may be either plus, minus, or whatever the arithmetic operators. So if you take two operands with one operator means the infix operation has the format of first operand, then next is operator, the second operand, right? So here the left side diagram shows the infix operations with the operands of a comma b. Here operator is plus. So a plus b is the correct format of infix operation where operator lies between the operands, right? This is about the infix. The second one is prefix. Prefix, from the name itself, it's a prefix because it is going to show with the place of the operator. So in prefix operation, the operator should go first. So it is a prefix, right? So here plus AB is the correct format of prefix operations where plus is the operator, then the first operand, second operand will go. So how it is sequenced means first is operator, second is the first operand and third one is the second operand. Likewise it is converted. Then postfix. Third one is the postfix operation. How means the postfix means the sense the operator will be the next two operands, right? So first operands will be arranged, then after its operands the operator will be arranged, will be placed, right? So AB plus is the correct format of postfix. Here operators are placed after operands, right? So these are all the three different types of operations, expressions play in this data structure. Then in the right side diagram, it shows the how infix operation is going to be converted in postfix, right? So the first one, 2 plus 3 star 4, right? So here in order for this kind of mathematical expression, we need to apply BODMAS rules. BODMAS rules are the very important one. So here consider the first example 2 plus 3 star 4. So which has the higher priority than plus and star? So between plus and star, star is having the more priority because star is nothing but multiplication, right? So multiplication should be done before the addition operation. So in this case, the multiplication operators and its operation should be focused first. Okay. So here 3 star 4 are the multiplication operand. How it should be converted into postfix? Postfix in the sense the operator should go after operands, right? So now 3 is the first operator and say operand, 4 is the second operand. So 3, 4 after this star should be there, right? So that's what 3, 4 star is there. So this 3, 4 star is now considered as one operand and 2 is considered as one operand for the operator plus. Right, so this is the second level of conversion, right? First level is done with the help of multiplication. Second level is about the operator. So according to the plus operator, 3, 4 star is the one operand. So it should continue the same. 3, 4 star, then 2 is the first operator. So 2 is written first. 3, 4 star is the second operand. It is written second. And for this operands, plus is the operator. It should go last. So 2, 3, 4 star plus is the exact operation conversion of this infix operation, right? Likewise, the conversion will go on, right? So this is about the theory of how this infix operation is going to be converted into postfix, right? I hope you understand this. Now we are going to see about some basics of infix expressions and postfix expression. So the expression of the in the infix operation, the expression is having the form of A operator B. In the postfix operation, it is in the form of AB operator. That is and all we have already seen, right? So we are going to see about the algorithm, right? So the first step of this algorithm is we need to get the infix operation. How it should be scanned means from left to right. Right? So it should be scanned from the left side to right side. Then if the scanned character is an operand, output it. Okay, it is an operand means we can output it. Or else if it is a operator means what we have to do? The operator should be stored in the stack, corresponding operator stack. Okay, it should be inserted in the operator stack. So using which operation? Push operation, right? So here again one more condition is checked here. In the else part, if the precedence of the scanned operator is greater than the precedence of the operator in the stack, it should be pushed it. Okay, that means here BODMAS rule is applied. So if the scanned character is having the higher precedence than the operator which is already stored in stack, means it should be pushed it. Or else the stack means that the condition is the operator which is stored in stack is having higher, means that should be popped out from the stack. The scanned character should be pushed in again. So this is what happening in the else part, right? Then fourth one. So if the scanned character is an bracket, open bracket and closing bracket, because this operation should accept parenthesis arguments also. So if the character is open bracket or closing bracket, means it should also be pushed into the stack. Then things happen, it should be repeated till the expression is completely scanned. Okay, then print the output. This is what the algorithm says. So let us go and implement this concept. Here, what is the first step means? Here, std inclusion of header files. Here, stdio.h and string.h are the two header files should be included for this case, because this is an arithmetic expressions related. So expressions in the related, in the sense all should be scanned like a strings. So that's why string.h header file is included here. Then here next step is operate variable declarations. Here character infix of 50, suffix of 50, stack of 25 are the three different character arrays declared in this program, and top is initialized to -1. Fine. So the next part is defining user defined functions. Here convert function, finding the precedence, and push operation, pop operation are the 4 different operation user defined functions should be declared, and it is required for this concept. Then coming to main program, first step is to get the infix expression, right? So this infix expression should be scanned by the scanf parameter using %s of infix. So this will be stored in the infix array, right? Then this will be for the printf purpose, it is printed, right? Infix expression and a suffix expression. Here before that, convert function is called. What is the use of convert function? So convert function is the very important one. So what it will do means, first of all, it will the first step is to initialization parameters. That means int I equal to 0, j equal to 0 is initialized, and character C is declared, and temporary character is also declared here, and push off one symbol, push operator function is called. Then while I is less than or equal to strlen of infix, this is the conditions to start the while looping. Then if the I is less than, because now I is initialized to 0, no, so the condition will be satisfied, right? So C equal to infix of I plus plus, right? The first character is stored in the character C. Now based on the character, first character, it is going to be executed in the case operations. Because if the first character is open bracket means what we have to do? It should be stored in the stack. So if case is open bracket means push break. If it is the closing bracket also, closing bracket means there is the end of that statement. So what should happen? The elements which are present in the stack should be popped out, right? So then if it is case plus case minus case star case division, give division, and this one, what is the operator? Power operator means these things should be happen while precedence of stack top is greater than precedence of C, because power is having more precedence than the other parameters, right? So if the precedence of top is greater than precedence of the character in C, previous one means that should be popped out. So that's what this is stored in suffix of temp, right? So the default operation is suffix, right? Now that push operation is going to be executed. We know the meaning of push. So whenever the push operation is called, the elements which are going to be added should be stored in the stack of plus top. That means top, this is a simple statement, only one statement we are going to add, we are going to show in the push operation. So stack of plus top is equal to 0 or C. That means the elements which is in the var character which is going to be inserted is stored in the stack of plus top. Then pop is similar to push. So pop, what happened? The elements which is stored in the current stack should be deleted. So for that, top minus is the correct last element, pointing the last element, that should be returned back. So that's why return stack of top minus is given here. Right? Then precedence is very important. Here precedence means here power function has the precedence of return 3, and star function has the precedence of return 2, and division has the precedence of return 2, plus has the precedence of return 1. Likewise, the corresponding precedence values are given here, right? So this is about the program. Now when you see the sample output, the infix expression is given a plus b. So infix expression is once again printed a plus b, and the suffix expression is, that means suffix in the sense postfix expression is ab plus. Right? I hope you understand this topic experiment. I will catch you in the next video. Thank you.